Come on, 9. We get 4 plus 3 spins. Lock in. Yeah, every hit counts as 3 spins. Oh, why come the wild didn't count? Nice. Another hit plus another 3 spins. Lock in. Burr battery's back. We got 4. Can we get 8? We can't. 20x though. It's moving down. So we could potentially get 4 with just, look, 100x is just 5 of them. We got it. One more 400x. I mean, we'll take the 50x and 3 more spins. Back up to 10 spins. Come on. Come on, hit here. Oh, we get another 50x here. Lock in. 12 is huge. Dude, 12 is 30,000x, bro. There's no way. We get 100x. Go, 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 go. More. 4. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4 was 5,000, dude. $50. Lovey. Lock in, dude.